Hey everyone, Creative is here. And look at this beautiful, gorgeous looking design. And you can see the background, the technology particles are animating. And I hope you will like this. So please subscribe and join the membership. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the tutorial and you will really love it. So first of all, insert this rectangular shape and remove its outline. And now we're gonna fill the gradient color into it and keep the gradient type to linear. Use three gradient stops and use a combination of bright and dark blue colors. And you can use online color palettes and tools. You can search in Google Images to find great combinations of or different combinations of complementary colors for the gradients, so that way you can design beautiful gradients. Now insert a circle here and go to the effects option and rotate this shape and increase its transparency, duplicate it and place it above the previous circle. Now again duplicate, so duplicate it like 7 to 8 times and align center and distribute vertically, and you will get a cylindrical shape like this. Now change the transparency at every level from high to low, so the bottom one will be the most transparent circular layer and the top one will have the least transparency, so it will give a very nice effect from top to bottom. So you can always try these kinds of things by applying different degree of treatment to different layers. Now on the last layer, apply the depth and reduce its transparency so that it's visible. And yet now you can play with the material thing here, and you can also try the light as well. Go to the shapes option and insert this rectangular shape and draw it like this, as you can see on a screen. Make sure you follow the same steps. You can slow down the speed of the video by using the cog icon. Now fill the gradient color and use 2 stops gradient on the second gradient stop. Keep the transparency to 100% and you will get a beautiful effect like this. Duplicate it, rotate it vertically and place one at the bottom like this. So send to back, send the background layer to the back as well, or you can use the selection pane at the top. Now I'm just trying to figure out what to do next. So I'm trying to actually the bottom rectangular shape is overlapping the bottom circle, and that's what I want to fix. Let's try to change the material. Yes, now it looks fine. Okay, so it was transparent, so that's why background layer was visible through it. Let's change its color and keep its transparency to 0%. Select both these shapes, or in fact all the shapes. Press Ctrl plus G to group the items. Make sure it's at the center. Keep it edge to edge. So it's coming out really nice and it's looking really sci-fi technological kind of graphic, and that's what we are creating here. We are creating an artificial intelligence kind of look and feel. So let's add this purplish color as well to make it look more vibrant, and we need this chip now. And go to the effects option and change its rotation like this, slightly increase its size, and change its color, increase the transparency. Now insert the text box and write AI. So AI means artificial intelligence, which is, in huge demand nowadays, and it's everywhere, it's around us in every aspect. So that's why I thought this would be a good topic, and you might need this kind of presentation slide related to technology. So change the 3D orientation of this text as well by using the effects option of the text, by going into the text options. And now you can apply the gradient effect. 2 stops gradient would be enough. Now let's find a beautiful video for the background, a technology based abstract design with plexus. Some moving plexus will look really nice, as this is a technology slide. So this Office 365 version comes with preloaded with these stock images and videos, illustrations, stickers, icons and cutouts. So this is a very nice thing when it comes to saving time and improving the efficiency. So we have added a layer over the video, and now you can see it's looking really beautiful. Now let's insert a shape here, this rounded rectangle, and make it very small like this. Duplicate it and place it below the first shape that we have created. Remove their outline and change the color to this bright blue. And what we are trying to create is background particle animation. So we have duplicated it multiple times and slightly changed their height. So you have to create these particles of different height and place them randomly outside of the screen area at the top, and these particles will flow from top to bottom and bottom to top within the rectangular shape that we have created. And for that you have to apply motion path, the down motion path on both these shapes, and you can change the path manually by dragging it from the red point. And now you can start the animation with previous, go to effects option and make sure smooth and a smooth start is at 1 second, and repeat the animation until the end of the slide. And now you can duplicate these multiple times and place them in the random order, because it's randomness that will make it look really beautiful like this. One of the particle is moving outside of the rectangular shape, and we will fix it. And now add delay randomly on the particles animations in the animation pane. And now you can see it's coming out really nice. So We have also applied the reverse effect as well, so when these particles flow from top to bottom, then it comes back to their original position. So we applied the reverse effect. So everything is random here, like the duration and the delay and their placement. So you can add your own values. You can keep some duration like at 10 seconds, and you can keep some of the particle animation duration at like 3 seconds. So you can see some are moving fast, some are moving slow, and these are randomly moving. So that's what is required. So this one is moving outside of the screen area. Now you can see we have fixed it. Now we have to kind of blend it with the background. Currently these are looking too bright. I'm further adjusting the duration. So duration means like how much time it will take to reach its destination. Some will take 3 seconds and some will take 10 seconds. So now you can see the output here. Some are moving very slow, some are moving fast. Now select all these layers and go to shape format, shape effects, shape fill, and increase the transparency so that these particles blend with the background. Otherwise these are looking too bright. We want to run them in the background. So that's the whole idea. So now we have sent these to back behind this AI cylindrical shape. So some of the paths were left behind, so we have moved them to forward, and now you can see now it's finished, it's complete. So that's how you can use the motion path animation to create some beautiful effects. Now duplicate all these particles, go to shape format, reduce their height, and manually place all of these as you can see on a screen. You can randomly place these, and because we had copied them, so the animations is so the animations are already implemented on these particles. You don't have to again apply the animation. Slightly reduce the transparency. Currently these are too much transparent. Now you can see these are looking much better. So our design is complete, and I hope you really like it, and please share your thoughts in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe. We need 200,000 subscribers, so please join the membership and subscribe and share this video, and do not forget to download this template from the G Drive link. And we will see you guys in next year with some more beautiful and creative PowerPoint slides. Happy New Year!